All right, all laid out, guys. Here is the picture of the CA10, or really it's a KR11 1940s international truck. In Spintires, the mud runner game I'm playing on Xbox, you're basically a truck just like this, hauling logs through the forest. I just wanted multiple layers of color, so as I was using the salt on there, I could get down to where I wanted. But check this out, guys. The roof turned out almost perfect. That is beautiful detail on there. And like I said, it's just a base coat. I'm still gonna go in and do all my hand painting, of course, the real rust, but really this has just been outdoors for such a long time. It's got that brown rust color to it. I love it. I think it looks fantastic. Look at that. I'm going to get in there with the wire brush, actually do some scraping on the paint. That's why I put the primer on, was for no other reason than as I'm getting scratched out there on the rocks, it's really going to give me quite a bit of color depth. This is my goal, right? So let's have a look at this piece here. Beautiful. Really looking good. Check out the door. Another amazing piece. So now really my next move is to go ahead and get this truck together. It's a little more brown than green, but it is definitely the lighting in here and how my camera is interpreting the color. But we do have quite a bit of green on here. I may go in and add some more, but it's more of an olive drab green, so it might be hard for you to tell. I was a little thicker on the fenders, a little thicker on the grill right here, because as it comes together, I think the different coloring of the patina will look really, really sweet. Here you go. You knew I couldn't give you at least a little peek. I didn't put the body together. I've just placed it on there. Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those peepers? Anybody seen this truck before? Turned out really, really good. I love all the salt chipping. Of course, I haven't put this truck together. It's just kind of sitting here, kind of holding itself together at the moment. I did do a little bit of detail work on the actual chassis rails. Just the first layer really of starting to get in there with mud and some dirt onto the chassis. But look at this. Does that look evil or what? Really happy with how the base coat turned out. Really the secret, guys, is keep the coats light. You don't want any runs or anything like that, because that really doesn't look to scale. But there you go. I still have a ways to go. Yes, I did do the back panel, of course, but it's still drying. All the other pieces will go together. Next, I'm going to get into scratching some of the paint, using a wire brush, getting in there, adding some actual rust paint in there. All the detail work is to come. Guys, please leave me a like click if you've made it this far into the video and you enjoyed the series so far. I really do appreciate it. It helps out our channel and help spread RC adventures all the way around the world. So guys, right on, leave a comment. What do you think? Pretty gnarly looking rig, hey? We'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Bye for now.